Hello, are you ready?
Yeah,
How are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
My name is Haley.
How old are you?
I am 20.
Where are you from?
I am from the USA,
Where were you born?
in Virginia.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Are you single?
Yes,
Are you married?
no.
Do you like children?
I love children.
What do you do?
I am a dancer.
Do you have any siblings?
Only one.
What's your hobby?
I just like to dance.
Are you happy?
Yes,
What's your favorite color?
pink.
What did you eat for breakfast today?
I had no breakfast.
What's your blood type?
A positive.
What's the last book you've read?
The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho.
What's the last movie you've seen?
Animal.
What time do you usually get up?
I get up at 5 a.m. every day.
Do you exercise?
Yes, regularly.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I'm in bed by 11 p.m.
How often do you drink alcohol?
I don't drink alcohol.
How often do you drink coffee?
Almost every day.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza.
What's your favorite drink?
Alkaline water.
What was your major in university?
Fine arts.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
How is the weather today?
It's quite hot.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can.
What are your plans for tonight?
Eat dinner and go to bed.
Do you like parties?
Not so much.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, a lot.
Where would you like to travel next?
To Paris.
What are you doing now?
I am talking to you.
What did you do last night?
I watched my favorite TV show.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
I'm going to make a music video.
What sports can you play?
I can play volleyball.
Can you do me a favor?
Yes.
Could you lend me $100?
Sorry, I don't have $100.
How are you feeling?
Pretty good.
Are you tired?
A little.
Are you hungry?
No.
Do you like me?
Sure.
Do you love me?
No.
Have you ever gone bungee jumping?
No. And I don't want to try it.
Why not?
Because it's too scary.
Could we have lunch together one day?
Maybe.
Have you ever been to Thailand?
Yes, I have.
How long does it take for you to get to work?
About 25 minutes.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
Do you have a car?
Yes, but don't like to drive.
Are you sick?
No.
Do you prefer ice cream or cake?
I like them both equally.
Do you have a credit card?
Yes.
Do you prefer traveling by car, train, or plane?
I prefer train.
Can you swim?
Yes. Very well.
Are you rich?
No.
Do you like to use social media?
Sometimes.
Is money the root of all evil? What do you think?
I don't think so.
Are you an optimist or a pessimist?
I am an optimist.
Are you afraid of anything?
Yes. Heights.
Is it okay for men to cry?
Yes, but they look funny when they cry.
Are you a romantic person?
No.
Are you a kind person?
Yes, I'm kind and helpful.
What gets you really angry?
People not following traffic rules.
Who is your favorite celebrity?
I don't have a favorite celebrity.
Are you a pet lover?
Yes.
Do you prefer cats or dogs?
Both.
Do you have a pet?
No.
Why not?
Because I can't take care of them.
What's your favorite song?
You take my breath away.
Is it a new song?
No, it's a oldie.
Do you have any phobias?
Yes, I fear heights.
Are men better than women?
Both have their strengths and weaknesses.
What are your strengths?
I can dance. It's my superpower.
Who do you admire the most?
My parents.
Are you a vegan?
No.
Do you sing?
Yes, but not so well.
How many pillows do you sleep with?
1.
What's your favorite holiday?
New Year's.
Are you a clean or messy person?
I'm fairly clean.
Do you collect anything?
Yes, I collect coins.
What do you call a person who collects coins?
Numismatist?
Are you an introvert or an extrovert?
I'm an introvert.
What was your first job?
I worked as a typist.
When was your first date?
When I was 16.
Have you ever been on a blind date?
No, thank God.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm both.
If you could live anywhere, where would it be?
I like it here.
What makes you happy?
I don't need a reason to be happy.
Do you get sad sometimes?
Yes, because I am human.
Do you get bored easily?
No, I am too busy to get bored.
What subjects were you good at in high school?
English and history.
Do you have a master's degree?
Yes, I do.
In which field?
Fine arts.
Are you a genius?
I'd like to think so.
How many hours do you sleep?
6 hours.
Are you addicted to anything?
No.
How often do you eat fast food?
Very rarely.
How often do you brush your teeth?
2 times a day.
Do you snore?